missing eating out a lot. There is the one thing that we miss in particular, and it's pho. So we have been doing a lot of home cooking lately, as you guys are too. But you know, pho is just the one thing that we always felt like it's better to be left to the masters. So we thought we would treat ourselves today, and also at the same time support a small business here in Melbourne. Oh, that was quick.
It is. Shall we go for unboxing?
Yes, I've got the scissors ready. What did we order again?
I'm pretty sure we got the mix and match set for 2.
Okay.
We got beef and chicken.
Yum.
We have chicken soup.
Oh yeah, it says there. See.
And I assume that's the beef. And then this looks like the beef as well. And beef.
Love the packaging. It's very straightforward.
And then I cannot not have bean sprouts. So
Unfortunately, I cannot have that.
that and 3 sauces.
Ooh.
This looks to be
Hoisin? Yeah.
Spicy chili and another hoisin. Ooh, and they've given us a quick instructions on how to do it.
So, shall we get started?
Let's get started.
I'm really hungry. Okay. So I am having the chicken, and so I have mine. I have my pho, really simple. I'm gonna just put onions in my one, so we basically just add the garnish. Some spring onions, and that's as simple as I get. Oh my god, this is exactly what I needed. It's perfect for winter, especially now it's winter here in Melbourne. Like it's really hearty, warm chicken soup that you just want to slurp the whole day. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna try the chicken. So I think the way that they've cooked the chicken is a bit like Hainan chicken, which is my favorite too. This one I might try it with hoisin sauce actually. Is it this one?
Probably that one. Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
You wanna try it?
Here you go. Oh, actually, no.
No, this is chili.
No, that's hoisin sauce and chili at the same time.
Oh, so they've mixed it. Yep, that's hoisin. Okay.
So you're probably better with. I don't
mind. Chicken's really soft, like it's not dry, and it goes well with the soup. It's a good balance, not too salty. Like the flavor is just the right balance of everything, and it's like a big warm hug. Alright, what do you have?
Now, me personally, unlike Eliska, I like everything in my pho. So she always teases me that she's halfway done, and I'm still putting stuff on my bowl. Yeah.
That's true.
So, it will take a while. So let me get started.
Okay, so this is what Aaron's been talking about. See, I am halfway done. Yep. And he has just filled his bowl. He has just finished. So that always happens when we go out for pho. He would take his time putting everything in and I would just start straight away. But anyways, if you guys haven't tried pho before, it's actually really good for you. It's good for your health. It's a great hangover soup too. So for in Asian families, actually, we've grown up with broths like this, chicken, beef. It's really good for if you're sick or if you're feeling unwell. It's good for indigestion as well. And it apparently removes, it can cure headaches and fatigue too. So we are gonna dig in. Yep.
Time to eat. So I purposely didn't mix mine yet because I wanted to taste the broth. So there's one small section here that doesn't have anything yet.
Yeah.
It's tasty and
Good.
And heartwarming at the same time.
You could really feel that they've used like
Good ingredients.
good ingredients
Yeah.
to start with, which is the main thing for a good broth.
Yes. Well, didn't they say that the key ingredient on a pho is the soup?
Yes.
Yeah.
It holds everything.
Noodles. The noodles are perfect. It feels like you want to slurp it the whole day.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I grew up eating noodles a lot. Well, noodle soup in particular. There's a restaurant that's close to home before, that we used to always go to as a family, and we eat there. Okay. So that's where I learned to eat pho, laksa, and all sorts of noodles, because that place does a lot of other noodles from everywhere.
Okay.
So it's interesting. It's good. Now let's get...
I don't even know how you're gonna...
I'll dig for the beef. I'll dig for the beef. There you go.
It's a nice cut.
Yeah. That beef was so good. I swallowed and... Well, I should have bitten a small piece first rather than chewing the whole thing. But yeah, it was good. It's juicy and it's tender. It's actually absorbed the flavors of the broth.
Oh, that's good.
So we will finish this. And I hope you don't get hungry. Or get hungry.
Well, that's a plan.
That was a good meal.
It looks like I had 10 kids there. No, we're really happy with the...
I'm happy.
I'm happy with the food. Yeah. She's happy.
And she's happy.
So that's good. It's always a good thing.
Yep.
Yeah, that was really straightforward, simple, and very satisfying to say the least. We're definitely gonna have more of that.
So ordering is actually quite easy. You just go to their website right here. Their website's straightforward. You just choose what you wanted and pick your preferred delivery time and date. Actually, let me show them really quick.
Yeah, we can show you. Show you guys.
So you can pretty much choose from an option of either beef or chicken. You can get it in a mix and match for 2 or for 4. Their specialty is the bun bo hue, which is a spicy beef noodle soup. Yum. It looks really yum, so we'll probably order that next time. Apart from that, you can get frozen spring rolls.
Yep.
And some drinks. They do offer bottled Vietnamese coffee or fresh Vietnamese coffee.
Yeah,
it's from
like
Onaka.
Yeah. Oh, I would love that. We should have gotten that. We'll get that next time. Yeah? Okay.
Yeah. Well, they deliver every Thursday, Friday, and Saturday on a given time slot, and I think you can pick up from the CD from 11 to 2 o'clock.
And don't forget to follow them on Instagram. It's Go Pho Yo Self Melb. On Instagram, we have the link here, and they've got everything on there. So yeah, let us know what you think. If you've tried that before, or if you're just about to click on and go on their website and order them, we'd love to know how your experience is too. So yeah, that's it for us today. We are just gonna sit, relax. Maybe we'll have some dessert.
Maybe some tea.
Some tea, yeah, that would be nice. Yeah, so if you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Finding Ground, and we will see you again next time. Bye guys!
Bye.